Imagine stepping into a world where your floors are not just surfaces to walk on, but a statement of style, innovation, and sustainability. That's right. We're talking about a revolution in flooring that will leave you absolutely floored. We're talking about a game changer, a real head-turner extendable glass bead flooring. This isn't just any flooring, it's a marvel of modern engineering. Imagine floors that can adapt to your needs, extending and contracting as required, providing not just functionality, but also a touch of futuristic elegance to your living spaces. This ain't your grandma's linoleum, no sir. Gone are the days of dull, lifeless floors that do nothing but cover the ground. We're stepping into an era where floors are as dynamic and vibrant as the people who walk on them. Think of the possibilities. Floors that can change color, texture, and even temperature to suit your mood and the occasion. This is innovation you can walk on, and it's about to make a big splash in homes everywhere. Imagine hosting a party and having your floors light up in sync with the music, or having a cozy, warm floor on a cold winter morning. The future of flooring is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Get ready to say goodbye to boring floors and hello to a future of style, sustainability, and savings. These floors are not just about looks, they're about making a statement. They're eco-friendly, made from sustainable materials that are kind to the planet. And the best part? They save you money in the long run with their durability and low maintenance. This flooring is tough as nails, easy on the eyes, and won't break the bank. It's designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday life, from the pitter-patter of little feet to the hustle and bustle of a busy household. And with its sleek, modern design, it adds a touch of elegance to any space. Sound too good to be true? Read on, my friend, read on. The flooring revolution is just beginning, and there's so much more to discover. From smart floors that can monitor your health to floors that generate energy as you walk, the possibilities are endless. So stay tuned, because the future of flooring is here, and it's going to change the way you live. So, what exactly are we talking about here? Extendable glass bead flooring is a revolutionary new material that's changing the way we think about flooring solutions. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about combining beauty with functionality in a way that's never been done before. Imagine millions of tiny glass beads, each one meticulously crafted to be uniform in size and shape. These beads are not just ordinary glass, they are engineered to be incredibly strong and durable. Each one strong and smooth, these beads are designed to withstand significant wear and tear. They are resistant to cracking, chipping, and other forms of damage that traditional flooring materials might suffer from. Now picture these beads held together by a special super durable binder. This binder is a high-performance adhesive that ensures the beads stay in place, creating a solid yet flexible surface. That's the magic of extendable glass bead flooring. This innovative material offers a unique combination of strength and flexibility, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. This unique construction creates a surface that's both flexible and incredibly strong. It can bend and flex under pressure without breaking, making it perfect for areas with heavy foot traffic or where the ground might shift. It can be poured like concrete, creating a seamless waterproof surface. This means no more worrying about water damage or leaks, as the surface is completely impervious to moisture. Plus, it comes in a rainbow of colors and finishes, allowing you to customize the look to match your personal style or the aesthetic of the space. Whether you want a sleek modern look or something more vibrant and artistic, extendable glass bead flooring has you covered. So you can let your design flag fly. This flooring solution is not just practical, but also a canvas for creativity. Imagine the possibilities for outdoor spaces, public areas, and even residential settings. Extendable glass bead flooring is paving the way for a new era in design and functionality. Let's talk aesthetics, folks. This flooring is a showstopper. The glass beads catch the light and create a shimmering, almost iridescent effect. It's like walking on a starry night sky. You can choose from a variety of colors, from classic neutrals to bold, vibrant hues. Want a sleek, modern look? Go for a polished finish. Prefer a more rustic vibe? A matte finish will do the trick. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty durability. This flooring is tough, y'all. It's scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and waterproof. Spilled your coffee? No problem. Just wipe it up. Kids dragging toys across the floor? No worries. This flooring can handle it. And the best part? Cleaning is a breeze. A quick sweep or mop is all it takes to keep your floors looking brand new. No more scrubbing on your hands and knees. Section 5. Green living underfoot, the eco-friendly choice. Here at the Gaines household, we're all about sustainability. And let me tell you, this flooring checks all the boxes. The glass beads are often made from recycled glass, so you're giving old materials a new lease on life. Plus, the manufacturing process is designed to be environmentally friendly, with minimal waste and emissions. So you can feel good about your flooring choice, knowing you're doing your part for the planet. Section 6. Installation made easy, a DIY dream. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, Chip, but installation must be a nightmare. Well, hold your horses, because I've got good news. Installing extendable glass bead flooring is surprisingly DIY friendly. The material is self-leveling, so you don't need to be a pro to get a smooth, even surface. Plus, it can be installed over most existing flooring, saving you time, money, and demolition headaches. Section 7. Keeping it sparkling, simple maintenance tips. Maintaining your beautiful new floors is a piece of cake. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your outdoor space looking pristine and inviting all year round. Whether you have a bustling family or enjoy quiet evenings alone, these tips will ensure your floors remain in top condition. Regular sweeping or vacuuming will keep dirt and debris at bay. This is especially important in high-traffic areas where dirt can accumulate quickly. By making sweeping a part of your routine, you can prevent scratches and maintain the floor's natural beauty. A leaf blower can also be a handy tool for quickly clearing larger debris from garden paths and patios. For spills, a damp mop is all you need. It's important to address spills promptly to avoid any potential staining. Simply use a damp mop to wipe up the spill, and your floor will be as good as new. This method is gentle on the flooring material and effective in maintaining its shine. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can dull the shine of the glass beads. Instead, opt for natural or eco-friendly cleaning products. These are not only better for the environment but also safer for your family and pets. Using gentle cleaners will help preserve the integrity and appearance of your flooring. It's also a good idea to use furniture pads to prevent scratches. These pads can be easily applied to the legs of chairs, tables, and other furniture pieces. They act as a buffer, protecting your floor from potential damage caused by moving furniture. This simple step can significantly extend the life of your flooring, and if by some chance a bead does get damaged, it can be easily replaced without having to redo the entire floor. This makes maintenance not only simple, but also cost-effective. You can replace individual beads or tiles as needed, ensuring your floor always looks its best without the need for extensive repairs. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can enjoy a beautiful, clean, and inviting outdoor space. Whether you're hosting a gathering, playing with your kids, or simply relaxing with a cup of coffee, a well-maintained floor enhances your outdoor experience. Remember, a little regular care goes a long way in keeping your floors sparkling and your outdoor area looking its best. Section 8. Budget-friendly beauty, affordable elegance. Now, let's talk dollars and cents. You might be surprised to learn that extendable glass bead flooring is surprisingly affordable, especially when you consider its long lifespan and low maintenance requirements. Compared to traditional flooring options like hardwood or natural stone, it's often a more budget-friendly choice, and because it's so durable, you won't have to worry about replacing it anytime soon, saving you money in the long run. Section 9. The future of flooring is here. Well, folks, there you have it. Extendable glass bead flooring is revolutionizing the way we think about flooring. It's beautiful, durable, eco-friendly, and affordable. What's not to love? So, if you're looking to add some wow factor to your home, I highly recommend giving this innovative flooring option a closer look. Trust me, your feet and your wallet will thank you.